Okay, in light of a crisis that I'm not allowed to say the name of because YouTube will throttle the motherfucker, I thought it would be a good idea to teach people that absolutely anyone can cook with zero fucking training. We're going to be creating flatbread buffalo chicken pizzas. These are absolutely unbelievably easy. All you got to do is take a couple of chicken breasts and cut them up into pieces. If you don't feel comfortable cutting raw meat, by all means cook the chicken breasts whole and cut them up after you cook them. Now, I added a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon, and that's just simply equal parts kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, and onion powders. And then we're just gonna cook this until we're done. Now, if you don't have flatbreads, you can feel free to use French bread or baguettes. If you don't have that, use biscuit dough. If you don't have that, I think tortillas might even work with this. If you don't have that, toast up a couple of slices of white bread and pop them in the oven for a little bit. Basically, you just want a piece of bread on top of this. All right, let's go back to the next step. All right, next thing we want to do is just take a jar, any old jar you got in the cupboard, of buffalo sauce on our flatbread. Again, I gave several other options if you do not have this available, and just spread it all around. Try to spread it as evenly as possible. Okay, and the next thing is add as much chicken as you like. Hence is why it doesn't matter if you cut the chicken up before it's cooked, after it's cooked, doesn't really matter. And then you want to add some bacon bits to it. Now, I just basically took a pack of bacon, cut it open, kept it together, and just sliced it into about half-inch pieces, and then just kind of fried that up. And as long as you keep stirring it, don't worry, those pieces will eventually come apart. It's not that big of a deal. And then, of course, we're just going to add a little bit of cheddar cheese before we do that. This is just a bottle of blue cheese dressing. You could probably even guess the brand name. Again, this is just something for people that never really cook, so everything here should be in everyone's pantry. And then you want to pop this into a 400-degree oven for roughly, 10 minutes or so. And after about 10 minutes, you should have something like this. And that is my buffalo chicken flatbread pizza. Done.